Peace be upon you all. I hope you all are well. Today we have this, the unboxing of the Logitech C270 HD webcam. I will be using this for my as a face cam for my YouTube videos, and yeah, this is basically the box. You can see outside it has what's in the box: USB-A cable, some documentation, 2-year limited hardware warranty. That's really nice. On the side we have what's in the box. You have your webcam and some documentation. Above we have HD webcam that goes beyond built-in, and the number C270. And yeah, with that being said, let's get into it. There's the tab up here. If we open this, and then we just pull this. Give me a second. There we go, just like that. There we go, and that opens up as such. So over here we have 1, 2. So this is how you mount it. I see. I want to mount this on a tripod. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but we'll make it work. And if we just pull this, actually we'll just pull this a bit, and then yeah, there we go. Oh wow, so this is the webcam, the first look at the webcam. And can we pull this out? There we go. That's it. The box is empty. There's nothing else in the box. So there's the webcam, and we just open it such. That's the instruction guide that they were talking about on the outside of the box. Oh wow, it feels really nice. If we pull this out, oh wow, the cable is very long. That's very good. This is the webcam then. The cable it seems to be very long, and of course it's nice USB 2.0, but yeah, could be better, but it's fine. And Bismillah. There we go. I'm gonna just put this over here, and of course we also have some packing over here that pulls off as such. And I'm gonna also put that like that, and yeah. Okay, well then, you can hear me through the mic, and right now I have the Logitech C720 plugged in, and you know, it looks good, the colors and everything. I have my window, I have my blinds open, so a lot of natural light is coming in, and I also have all my LEDs on in the room. So yeah, you can see my computer in the background, and you can also see me. It seems very good. I think I do really like the colors on this, and the quality is fine. Of course, 720p, I was going to go for the 1080p, but the price difference was around, it was actually 3 times the price of this. So I went with this because of course I'm just going to appear small in the corner. You won't be able to see me that clearly. So yeah, I mean, it looks good. I mean, I'm satisfied, and for just a second, I'll switch the mic to the one that's on the Logitech, so that you can hear how that sounds. Okay, so now I'm using the microphone on the Logitech C720 HD webcam, and yeah, I'm not sure how it sounds, but from all the reviews I've seen online, it does not sound that good, but it sounds decent. Of course, for video conferencing and calling and etc., it sounds good. It sounds half decent. But for recording YouTube videos, I don't think it'll cut it. I mean, of course it will. If you're a beginner, I think it will do fine. But of course later on you would want to switch to a proper microphone or a headset microphone. Well then, so I went through what I just recorded, the difference between this microphone and that microphone. It is a bit, of course there is a difference, but with the Logitech you can hear a lot of the background noise. My computer's fans are on, my MacBook's fans are on. There are no other fans on. Right now the temperature in Pakistan is decent, where you can stay in a room without the AC, without the fan, and without any heater. So right now, of course, as the summer comes, the AC will also turn on, the fans will also turn on. Then I think that would cause an issue with the mic on the Logitech. You will have a lot of background noise. Of course, it's just capturing me, and it's cancelling out all the other noise. With that being said, of course, in this mic you can purchase around 3 of those. So yeah, it's not, I think for the beginner, the Logitech C720 is an amazing microphone and camera as a webcam, face cam. This is the Fantech Leviosa that I'm filming my audio with right now, and over there we have the webcam. The Ultimate Review. I bought this from RB Tech and Games. I also bought this computer from them as well. They have helped me out a ton. Very good shop. If you are in the Gulberg area, go check them out. They will help you a lot. And with that being said, I think I'm very satisfied with my purchase. This will run for many years to come. And yeah, with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And with that being said, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace be upon you.